Good afternoon, Josh. Brentwood police are investigating a hit and run crash that caused significant damage to Stratum Tire on Friday night. Authorities said a truck struck the building and then took off. An officer responded to a burglar alarm at the business on Route 125 between 8:15 and 8:25 p.m. and discovered the damage, police said. A witness reported seeing a tractor trailer in the area shortly before the alarm sounded, according to authorities. Police were trying to identify the truck and see if it was connected to the crash. Stratum Tire offered a $1,000 reward for information leading to the identification and conviction of the person responsible. Anyone with information about the incident is asked to call Brentwood Police at 603-642-8817. Reporting live here outside Stratum Tire, I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Josh, back over to you.